I got it up to $10, and I just got it up to 0. Yeah, I started with 5. Ended up at 10, then I lost it.
Oh. Well, what do you call it? Cashed up and it was a cow track. It was 97 from that 100.
Flight today is under the very capable command of Captain Brian Wright, assisted by our First Officer Jeff Schmidt. And as the captain said, 2 hours